The annual spectacle of Cupertino is a global ritual, where the colossal Apple iPhone 18 Pro Max, a shimmering flagship device of immense computational prowess and an equally massive premium price point, takes center stage, commanding the consumer electronics conversation with its rumored advanced computational photography capabilities and revolutionary titanium alloy chassis. Yet, lurking in the shadows of this tech behemoth is a quiet contender, a piece of minimalist industrial design that, if the swirling eddies of analyst predictions and supply chain rumors hold even a fraction of their reported truth, possesses a winning hand, a royal flush of practicality, that could utterly eclipse the Pro Max in the fiercely competitive mid-range smartphone market and capture the hearts of the mainstream consumer. This dark horse is the iPhone 17e, a device whose fundamental, almost subversive, advantage has nothing to do with a 6-lens periscope telephoto array, bleeding-edge generative AI integration, or a display that rivals a portable cinema screen. Its secret weapon is intentional shrinkage, a deliberate, almost defiant, resistance to the screen size inflation phenomenon that has plagued the mobile technology ecosystem for the past decade. Cast your mind back to the elegant simplicity of the iPhone 6s with its genuinely one-hand-friendly $4.7-inch display. Compare that to the current iPhone 16 series, which has already bloated to a less manageable $6.3 inches, necessitating complex ergonomic adjustments and often refusing to fit comfortably in standard US market jeans pockets or the small clutches favored by urban commuters. We have, through a collective, silent acquiescence, accepted this trend toward pocket-stretching phablets, equating bigger with inherently better. But the iPhone 17e is rumored to remain steadfastly anchored to the comfortable and demonstrably optimal screen size of $6.1 inches, a golden ratio in the realm of modern mobile usability. While the iPhone 18 Air is speculated to push boundaries with a svelte $6.5 inches and the Pro Max approaches the 7-inch tablet territory, the 17e champions pocketability and genuine single-handed operation, delivering a vastly superior everyday carry experience, a crucial factor for digital nomads, busy professionals, and anyone seeking a true digital detox companion that doesn't constantly demand two-handed attention. This dedication to a human-scale form factor is the first, and arguably most potent, card in its arsenal. The second key differentiator, a feature parity leap often reserved for the higher-tier models, is the rumored inclusion of a next-generation center-stage selfie camera on the iPhone 17e. Building upon the existing iPad Pro technology, this advanced system wouldn't merely keep the user centered during video conferencing. It is reported to possess a unique computational cropping algorithm that allows for perfectly composed landscape selfies and high-quality social media content creation even when the phone is held in the natural, vertical, one-handed portrait orientation. This ingenious UI/UX innovation solves a pervasive user frustration: the awkward, shaky, two-hand grip required for group shots or travel vistas, instantly making the 17e a preferred tool for lifestyle vloggers and casual photographers alike, effectively democratizing a truly pro feature. Furthermore, the underlying system on a chip is rumored to be the previous year's A19 Bionic processor, a strategic move that delivers sustained flagship performance and guarantees multi-year operating system update support from iOS 20 onward, securing the phone's position as a powerful long-term investment and combating the perception of planned obsolescence often associated with budget lines. The A19, even in a slightly underclocked configuration, ensures lightning-fast performance for mobile gaming, AR applications, and sophisticated multitasking workflows. This powerful foundation is reportedly paired with an 18-megapixel front sensor to maximize the new center stage capabilities and a proprietary C1 cellular modem, developed entirely in-house by Apple, promising dramatically improved RF efficiency, 5G connectivity stability, and superior thermal management, all crucial elements for extending battery longevity and enhancing the overall user experience. External design rumors suggest the iPhone 17e will finally shed the polarizing, sharply squared-off industrial design language of the older iPhone 14 series, instead adopting the softer, more comfortable tapered edges and refined curvature introduced with the iPhone 15 generation. This subtle yet significant ergonomic refinement translates into a phone that feels lighter and thinner in the hand, mitigating palm fatigue and elevating the overall tactile experience without resorting to exotic materials like aerospace-grade titanium. While the debate over the display cutout, the classic notch versus the interactive dynamic island, continues in the leak community, with newer reports leaning towards reusing a cost-effective, yet still high-quality, notched panel. The consensus among tech observers is that this aesthetic choice is ultimately secondary. The core value proposition remains the unbeatable trifecta of optimal size, comfort, and future-proof performance. Battery specifications are conservatively rumored to mirror the previous generation's capacity, paired with Apple's standard $20 wired charging profile, a configuration that, when synergized with the highly efficient A19 chip and C1 modem, promises a genuine full-day battery life for the vast majority of users, successfully tackling one of the most common consumer pain points. Ultimately, the iPhone 17e does not aim to win the spec sheet war against its Pro-line siblings. The 18 Pro Max will undeniably boast a superior refresh rate display, a more expansive RAM configuration, and more complex LiDAR scanning functionality. However, the 17e excels in the often overlooked dimension of livability. It is the phone for the person who wants a tool that serves their life, not a technological burden that dictates their pocket size and hand stretch capability. By exercising strategic product restraint and focusing on the core attributes that define a great daily driver, namely, a non-intrusive size, enduring speed, real-world camera utility, and comfortable haptics, the iPhone 17e positions itself as the mass-market champion of 2026. It will be the rational choice for price-sensitive buyers, the preferred device for users with smaller hands, the dependable choice for corporate fleet provisioning, and the definitive answer to the question, what is the best all-around iPhone? The 17e is not destined for the loudest keynote applause or the most outrageous viral YouTube title cards, but years down the line, when the 18 Pro Max hype has faded, the 17e will be the comfortable, capable, and perfectly proportioned phone still holding its value and still fitting neatly into a front pocket, thereby redefining premium not as the most expensive, but as the most thoughtfully designed for the human hand.